Welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Today is Friday, September 17th, 2021. Let's take a look at today's charts. We got BTC at $48,041.23, 11.11% up. Ethereum at number 2, $3,586.69, down 0.10%. Cardano at number 3, $2.43, down 1.54%. Binance Coin number 4, $425.19, down 0.68%. Tether at number 5, $1. XRP number 6, $1.09, 2.74% down. Solana at number 7, $152.35, down 4.06%. Polkadot at number 8, $35.52, down 1.98%. Number 9, Dogecoin, 24 cents, down 1.65%. And last but not least, USD coin number 10, $1. Let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So we got neutral at 53. Yesterday was neutral at 49. Last week was fear at 45, and last month was greed at 72. So today we got 5 articles on spot. Article 1 is AMC Theatres crypto rollout will include more than just Bitcoin. Article 2, understanding proof of work, proof of stake, and tokens. Article 3, $500,000 in 5 years. Elon Musk and Tesla devotee Cathie Wood reveals huge Bitcoin and Ethereum price predictions. Article 4, what are the chances of these entities attacking the Bitcoin network? And last but not least, the main topic today is Cryptoguide, how to buy and sell Ethereum in 2021. All right, before we get into the articles, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone that's been supporting me. Welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. You can catch me on podcast, Apple, Spotify, Google Podcast. If you do, leave a rating or review. It does help me out. And if you're in a YouTube space, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Helps the algorithm and it can spread to more people that are interested in cryptocurrency news and updates. So again, thank you so much. Let's get to it. Article number 1 is AMC Theatres crypto rollout will include more than just Bitcoin. AMC Theatres CEO Aron has announced a plan to support more cryptocurrencies than just Bitcoin, highlighting the growing role these digital coins play in society. The company previously said that its customers would be able to pay for concessions and buy tickets online using Bitcoin, the most popular crypto. But it turns out that Litecoin and others will also be options. Amid the GME hype, many turn to AMC as the next big meme stock, perhaps a nod to these investors. AMC Theatres previously said that it would accept Bitcoin payments in some cases. The latest update from Aron reveals that Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash will also be accepted. The expansion comes only around a month after the Bitcoin announcement. He tweets, cryptocurrency enthusiasts, you will likely know AMC Theatres has announced we will accept Bitcoin for online ticket and concession payments by the year end 2021. I can confirm today that when we do so, we will also expect that we similarly will accept Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Though it's not the first big company to accept crypto payments, AMC Theatres is one of the most notable as it's a place consumers are likely to visit on a regular basis. Crypto as a whole, or at least the biggest digital assets in the category, has moved into the mainstream with apps like PayPal, making it easy to buy and use the coins. Based on the CEO's tweet, it seems like Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum support will be available at the same time as the Bitcoin support when it launches toward the end of the year. The bigger question is whether crypto enthusiasts will be willing to pay for their tickets and popcorn using their digital assets. The fees associated with these transactions are still high in the majority of cases, and many are holding their crypto assets in hope that they gain value in the coming years. The entire market remains volatile. There was a big crypto crash earlier this year. For example, saw hundreds and thousands of dollars in value shaved off various coins. Despite that, more companies are expressing interest in crypto than ever. So what do you guys think about this? AMC Theatres crypto rollout will include more than just Bitcoin. So when we look at that, what we're going to see is, do you believe that AMC is going to pull through with it? And do you think more and more people are going to adopt it? Comment down below and let me know what you think. All right. Article 2, understanding proof of work, proof of stake, and tokens. When navigating the world of crypto for clients, it's crucial to understand these terms and methods. As we navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency for our clients, it's especially important to have a clear understanding of how each network operates, how new tokens are created, and the reason for their unique designs. There are two major consensus mechanisms: algorithms used by distributed systems that allow the network to work together and stay secure, used by cryptocurrencies, proof of work and proof of stake. These methods are used to secure the blockchain, verify transactions, include transactions in the history of the blockchain, and to create new coins and tokens. Proof of work. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to implement proof of work, the consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin that allows the network to remain secure. You will often hear the term miner in the context of cryptocurrency. Mining the blockchain is referencing this proof of work mechanism. A tremendous amount of energy, computing power, and electricity is required to secure the blockchain, and thus the miners are rewarded by earning a distribution of new coins upon successfully auditing the blockchain. All around the world, miners are competing to secure the Bitcoin blockchain and earn a monetary reward. The reward is currently 6.25 BTC, issued approximately every 10 minutes. This reward will eventually decrease to zero as the supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. This cap exists because that is the maximum number of coins that can be generated, according to the code written by Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Proof of work is a proven mechanism and thus trusted and used by Bitcoin. When the monetary value of the Bitcoin network increases, miners are financially incentivized to join the network. This in turn strengthens the blockchain and improves security. Because of the tremendous energy needed to mine the Bitcoin blockchain, it is impossible for one single entity to take control of the chain, thus preserving the decentralization and integrity of the coin. Proof of stake. Developers quickly realized that proof of work blockchains have trouble scaling and created cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Ethereum 2.0 specifically, that now relies on the proof of stake, where validators stake coins to win the right to verify a transaction and add it to the blockchain at the consensus mechanism. Important note, Ethereum just had an update, EIP 1559, on its journey from Ethereum 1.0 proof of work to Ethereum 2.0 proof of stake, which has resulted in over 173,000 ETH being burned, destroyed. This is so far has led to a 45% net reduction to new ETH token issuance, which many are speculating will continue to drive the price higher, supply versus demand. As more ETH gets locked up for staking, supply will become more and more scarce, taking a page from the playbook of Bitcoin scarcity. Ethereum and other smart contract-enabled blockchains process a significant number of transactions when compared to non-smart contract coins such as Bitcoin. Ethereum currently processes over 1 million transactions per day, which will increase to many more than once the ETH 2.0 upgrade is complete, compared to approximately 200,000 transactions per day on Bitcoin. It's easy to see why scaling problems needed to be solved. Ethereum, for example, is required to process its own transactions, execute smart contract transactions, NFT transactions, etc. Proof of stake is the ideal solution for the scaling problems that proof of work mechanisms are unable to currently solve. Not all proof of stake coins operate with the same rules, though the validation concept is consistent from coin to coin. Market participants, often called validators, are required to stake, contribute a certain number of coins to be able to help validate transactions. This is essentially serving the same function as miners. Each qualifying validator has the ability to earn a reward. The network rewards the validators based primarily on tenure. To make this as simple as I can, the more powerful your computer and the more energy you put behind it, the greater your odds are of earning a proof of work mining reward. The bigger your wallet and the more steadfast your commitment, the greater your chance of earning a proof of stake validating reward. Increased dedication of resources toward validation leads to an increased likelihood of being a rewarded validator. Tokens. Tokens, on the other hand, are outside of the family of proof of work and proof of stake cryptocurrencies. They are not a currency on their own, but rather a unit of measure that exists on top of an existing cryptocurrency framework. They are typically used to represent physical assets such as real estate or collectibles. Digital assets such as processing power of storage and decentralized finance, DeFi, recommending an allocation to Bitcoin for a client will depend on your investment thesis. Recommending Ethereum or other proof of stake coins will depend on your investment thesis, and the same goes with advising on tokens. It's important to note that each token is unique, and any advice applicable to a specific token cannot be applied to other tokens. The same as if you were giving advice on individual equities. Not only is it important to understand the basics of cryptocurrency, but it's even more important to know how cryptocurrency helps clients reach their goals. So hopefully you guys understood proof of work and proof of stake and tokens and what the differences are between each of them. Comment down below and let me know if you know any other differences, and if there's any advice or suggestions you think people should know, comment down below. All right, let's take a look at Article 3. $500,000 in 5 years. Elon Musk and Tesla devotee Cathie Wood reveals huge Bitcoin and Ethereum price predictions. The Bitcoin and crypto price bull run has stalled after its phenomenal rally in the first half of this year, with some issuing stark warnings over Bitcoin's prospects. The Bitcoin price has failed to hold ground over $50,000 per Bitcoin despite multiple attempts to pass the psychological barrier. Meanwhile, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, has also fallen away from its all-time high set in May. Despite Bitcoin's recent struggles, Cathie Wood, the chief executive of ARK Invest, who made a name for herself with big bets on Bitcoin and Elon Musk's electric car company Tesla, has predicted the Bitcoin price will hit $500,000 in just a few years, and revealed her confidence in Ethereum has gone up dramatically. If we're right and companies continue to diversify their cash into something like Bitcoin, and institutional investors start allocating 5% of their funds, we believe that the price will be tenfold of where it is today, said Wood, speaking to CNBC anchor Andrew Ross Sorkin at the Salt Technology Conference in New York. So instead of $45,000, over $500,000. In July, Wood joined Musk and Twitter's Jack Dorsey in a live discussion that saw the trio discuss Bitcoin's potential, as well as the merits of Ethereum and the meme-based Dogecoin. Wood, who said she made price targets on a 5-year timeline, named Bitcoin as her top cryptocurrencies, as countries are now deeming Bitcoin legal tender. Although she's also bullish on the Ethereum price and sees the ARK portfolio split 60%, 40% between the two. Earlier this month, El Salvador made history when it adopted Bitcoin as its official currency alongside the US dollar, sparking speculation other countries could follow suit. Some have suggested Ukraine could eventually adopt Bitcoin after it moved to legalize it last week, and a former prime minister of Malaysia has said his country should encourage crypto holders to invest in Malaysia. Much of this year's crypto price surge that's seen the combined crypto market soar from around $700 billion to over $2.1 trillion is due to rallies in Ethereum and its many rivals that are jostling for market share. Ethereum is seeing an explosion in developer activity thanks to NFTs and DeFi. Wood said, referring to the digital collectible non-fungible token craze, and an explosion in crypto-based decentralized finance designed to recreate lending and interest without the need for banks. I'm fascinated with what's going on in DeFi. What is collapsing the cost of infrastructure for financial services in a way that I know that the traditional financial industry does not appreciate right now, said Wood. Our confidence in Ethereum has gone up dramatically as we've seen the beginning of this transition from proof of work to proof of stake. Late last year, Ethereum began a long-awaited transition away from the energy-intensive proof of work to proof of stake, designed to help Ethereum scale and increase its efficiency. The upgrade won't be completed until 2022. However, Wood, who sees the already sky-high valuation of Elon Musk Tesla soaring in coming years, praised the Dogecoin-loving billionaire. Musk is a visionary, and he sees the future so clearly, she said, predicting explosive growth and committing ARK to nothing else but disruptive innovation. I do believe that both crypto and the equity markets are going to be powered by millennials, Wood added. So what do you guys think about this? $500,000 in 5 years. Elon Musk and Tesla devotee Cathie Wood reveals huge Bitcoin and Ethereum price predictions. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you think $500,000 is a reasonable goal, or you think, no, we're still going to be around the $50,000 mark in 5 years. All right. Before we move on to the next round, I just want to say thank you so much again for taking the time out of your day to listen to the podcast or watch the YouTube video. Again, catch me on Apple, Spotify, and Google. If you can, leave a rating and a review. And if you're in the YouTube space, like, share, and comment, subscribe. It helps me out so much. So again, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day. Let's get back into it. Article 4. What are the chances of these entities attacking the Bitcoin network? A question that lingers in the minds of most traders is, what would happen if Bitcoin were hacked? During an episode of the Unchained podcast, host Laura Shin brought together Ethereum Foundation researcher Justin Drake and author Vijay Boyapati to debate whether a 51% attack on Bitcoin would be possible and who could do it. A 51% attack in dollars. Boyapati began by proposing the idea that security was a spectrum and not a binary. For example, users and even networks might require a different number of transaction confirmations before they were satisfied. Drake agreed security was spectrum if the attacker's hash power was less than 50%. However, he argued that if an attacker controls more than 50% of the hash power, security becomes a binary. Furthermore, the attacker attains God mode over Bitcoin, with the power to mine empty blocks until the end of time. Taking aim at the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, Drake also claimed that an attacker could make God mode a reality by buying the hash power needed to control 51% of the network. He said, quote, and so you can look, for example, at the hash rate of the Bitcoin network, which is roughly 150 million terahashes per second. And then you can ask yourself, how much does it cost to manufacture and deploy 1 terahash per second? And you can put a dollar amount to that. Assigning a value of $50 to 1 terahash, Drake calculated an attacker would need roughly $7.5 billion for an attack. He noted that this economic shield would be peanuts to nation states like the USA or China trying to attack the network. For his part, Boyapati argued that the Bitcoin network was created to incentivize users with greater hash power to mine Bitcoin instead of attacking the network. Game theory versus economics. While Drake took an economic approach to attacking Bitcoin, Boyapati used game theory to argue that nation states trying to attack Bitcoin would meet with resistance from both financial institutions and nation states holding BTC as a reserve asset. Next, Boyapati explored a nuclear option, changing the SHA-256 proof of work function. He said, quote, under an extremely grave situation, it would be possible for participants in the network to say, we want to change our proof of work function. What would that do to an attacker? Every machine that they had bought, all of the electricity that they had put into attacking the network would instantly be worth nothing. Drake called the solution flawed. He noted that the attacker could buy ASIC miners, GPUs, and CPUs to later repeat the process. Billionaire attackers? ? Apart from nation states, Drake noted that attacking Bitcoin was a game, accessible to the likes of billionaire Elon Musk and entities like MicroStrategy. Even so, Boyapati and Drake agreed on one point, that skin in the game was vital to study, as those with the least involvement had the most incentive to attack Bitcoin. So what do you guys think about this article? What are the chances of these entities attacking the Bitcoin network? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think, if it's possible or not. All right. Speaking of Ethereum, let's take a look at the main topic today. It's called Cryptoguide, How to Buy and Sell Ethereum in 2021. If you're interested in Ethereum, here's what you need to know about how to buy and sell this popular cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly mainstream as potential investments. One of the most popular digital coins is Ethereum, which is not only a currency, but also focuses on providing a platform for applications and contracts. For some, the underlying use case might make Ethereum an attractive addition to a cryptocurrency portfolio. Here's what you need to know about how to buy and sell Ethereum. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain concept first outlined in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. The idea was to build a decentralized platform that developers could use to create apps. One of the main draws of the Ethereum blockchain is that it can facilitate smart contracts, which have the potential to remove the middleman in a variety of transactions. On top of that, the Ethereum blockchain has use cases for supply chain management and other potential applications. In 2016, a hack prompted a split of Ethereum. Ethereum Classic is the original, unaltered version of the Ethereum blockchain, while the current Ethereum blockchain continues to have a timeline for changes and upgrades. The crypto token native to the Ethereum network is called Ether, ETH. Ether is used to power transactions on the blockchain. Additionally, Ether can be used to power various dApps. dApps are products and services that developers can create for a variety of purposes, ranging from games to financial transactions. Ethereum is also used to sell non-fungible tokens, NFTs. One of the most famous games and NFT sources, CryptoKitties, was the first dApp on Ethereum's blockchain. As a digital currency, ETH is compatible with a number of hot and cold crypto wallets, and it is readily available on many crypto exchanges. It's the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, and it is considered the largest altcoin, alternative to Bitcoin. Ethereum has been a proof of work blockchain with transactions verified by computational power solving cryptographic puzzles. But Ethereum is moving toward a proof of stake model, which focuses on ownership of the token, a stake in Ether. Those who have a stake in ETH will represent a potential node designed to verify transactions once the new model is live on the blockchain. So how much does Ethereum cost? As of September 7, the price of ETH is a little over $3,300, according to industry website CoinMarketCap. In September 2015, ETH cost right around 70 cents. Its highest point reached in May of 2021 was just over $4,100. If you're hoping to learn how to invest in money in ETH, then think it will rise in the future. The current price might seem reasonable. How to buy and sell Ethereum. Because it's so popular, it's relatively easy to learn how to buy and sell Ethereum. Most hot and cold wallets can function as Ethereum wallets, meaning that you can use just about any wallet to buy, sell, and store your Ether. Ethereum is also available on all major exchanges, including Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini. This gives you a lot of ability to choose a trading platform that will work with your preferred payment method. For example, you might buy crypto with a debit card, credit card, PayPal, or bank transfer, depending on the service you sign up for. When learning how to buy cryptocurrency, starting with an exchange can be an easy way to move forward, but you can also purchase ETH directly from other owners. You can receive ETH as payment for services and even create your own NFTs and sell them to receive Ether in your wallet. It's important to note, however, that transactions using the Ethereum blockchain technology come with a cost called gas. Your gas cost is based on how busy the network is at the time and other factors. This cost is paid in Ether or in fractions of Ether called GUE. Depending on where you purchase your ETH, you may have to pay an additional gas cost, or with some exchanges, the cost will be baked in. You can generally see how much an Ethereum transaction will cost before you complete it. So what are some frequently asked questions about Ethereum? What is the best place to buy Ethereum? The best place to buy Ethereum is wherever you're comfortable making transactions. Because ETH is a popular cryptocurrency, it's relatively easy to buy it in any of the best cryptocurrency exchanges. CoinMama, Binance, and eToro are all exchanges that support Ethereum and made our list, with eToro being a particularly good fit for beginners. Also, consider other features or currencies you might be interested in. For example, if you also want to buy and sell Bitcoin or Litecoin, you might pick an exchange that supports all three coins. Or if you just want to be able to trade on the go, pick an exchange or brokerage that has a mobile app. Are there fees to buy Ethereum? Some exchanges charge transaction fees to buy ETH. Additionally, if you're transacting business over the Ethereum blockchain, you generally have to pay a fee known as gas cost. How do I contact Ethereum? Well, Ethereum doesn't have what you might consider traditional customer support. They are an open source platform and have a thriving Ethereum community, as well as many educational resources on their website. Bottom line, the Ethereum blockchain is known for its versatility and ability for developers to use it to create decentralized applications and services of their own. The blockchain uses its native token, Ether, to power transactions and applications. Depending on your situation and what you're interested in, it could be useful for you to learn how to invest in Ethereum as a cryptocurrency with an underlying use case. But carefully consider your portfolio and strategy goals before you move forward, since all investments, including digital assets, come with a chance of loss, and you could potentially lose money when investing in Ethereum. So there you guys have it. Cryptoguide, how to buy and sell Ethereum in 2021. Comment down below and let me know if you actually hold Ethereum or if you're thinking about getting some Ethereum in your wallet. All right, before we head out, let's take a look at the prices one more time. Number one, BTC, $48,041. Ethereum, $3,586. Cardano, $2.43. Binance Coin, $425. Tether, $1. XRP, $1.09. Solana, $152. Polkadot, $35. Dogecoin, 24 cents. And last but not least, USD coin, $1. All right, so there you guys have it. Thank you so much for making it this far to the end of the Crypto Take podcast and YouTube video. So I want to say thanks so much for all your love and support. I've been reading the comments, I've been looking at the analytics, and also I've been hearing a lot of the messages that you've been sending about all the other news that you want to hear about Ethereum, about Bitcoin, about El Salvador, about adoption, Elon Musk, and so on. So yes, again, thank you so much. If you do have any recommendations, just direct message me or comment down below. And until then, I'll have a great crypto day and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.